Let's do another example for advanced surface modeling with the bar surfacing. First I'm going to go with creating a box. Apply. You can start all of these things with dimensions. If you just start with sketches and then fit the box in the sketch you add. So let's just do it as I'm showing you an example. A couple of extrudes. I'm gonna crease this a little and scale it, and maybe let's go wider, and I'm just going to scale this, increase it, and from here I'm going to just this one. Okay, now this just looks like vacuum cleaner. Let's go ahead and just do some edits for it. You can just simply go and convert it. You just check out the dimensions down here, and we have on the Z is 350, which is great for me. So let's hit OK, and I'm gonna add a sketch on the right plane. Let's say I just need it to be like that. Here and here. So if I just draw some line here, now I added a line here. I'm going to just parallel this one with this one. Let's just fix this, and I need this to be parallel with this. Okay, now for dimensions, I can make this 150, and the depth will be maybe 65. Okay, then I'm going to close this sketch. Futures extrude cut. I'm going to extrude all both. Okay, now something like this. You can add a fillet to all the faces, maybe small fillet. Okay, now let's add a handle to it. So we have two options, and it's with constraints, and the other is will be just by just add material. If something goes wrong, let's go to future. And equal to manual override, maybe 5. Okay, so it's got everything's good now. It's because of low poly, it's just not accuracy. So I just increased the details and the subdivision levels when converting. Then let's add the handle by going to bar surfacing again, create a new box, and I'm going to adjust the scale of it. Let's keep it closed and extrude. Maybe just make smaller. Now extrude, and extrude one here also. So if I just go here and crease it, The same here. And I can easily adjust this. Okay, so I'm happy with this. Let's just make it wider, and you can easily increase this a little. If I just go to load tools, use the level 2, and I can do something for the fingers underneath. So maybe just go one out and one down and one up, one down and one up. Something like that. Hit apply. Okay, now it's converted. I can adjust this to fix the curvature of it by adding a center line. We're just going to ruin the fingers. Let's try to make these little like that. Okay. Now if I just went to tools, or I have a combine here, was customized features, and combine these two. Go to fillet and fillet these. Can even increase the fillet, maybe 10 millimeters. Now from the right plan, add sketch. I'm gonna add a center line on this here. Now I need it to be the same as this one. Then I'm gonna fix this one and make these parallel. Okay, and add some dimensions, maybe 170. Then I'm going to sketch offset 0.3 offset for this line, cap ends DI directional, and hit OK. Now I can just easily delete this center line, and I'm going to cut extrude it through all both. Hit OK. Okay. If you just increase the SolidWorks resolution or performance quality, image quality, if you just go higher, you can see that the subdivision is really smooth. So I need to insert features, move and copy. I can just move this a little here, or I can easily hide it. Adding the fillets here. So if you just added the level at 5 or maybe 5 fillets, 5 millimeters, you should add the same on the other part that we just hidden it. Okay, so as you see, it's here flat. Let's just hide this one and create a fillet here. Five millimeters and 5 here. Just unhide. So you're gonna see that this looks good now. Okay, now for the vacuum cleaner, if you just need to do a shell, I'm gonna hide this one and cut this to half. Top plan, I'm gonna insert a line on the center and offset. Delete the center line and cut extrude. So it's going to be throw all both and hit OK. Then I'm going to just hide on a half, then go to shell this face. So 1 millimeters, and let's keep everything's default. Press OK. Okay, so I have here a nice shell, as you see. Now I can add easily some of the ribs by going to insert a new plan. So just gonna add a blend on this face, and the offset's going to be 0. Okay, go to sketch, and you can easily create something like that. And something like that. Offset these. Maybe 1 millimeters. Cap ends. And make it cap as a line. Okay. Can you just move this a little here? Okay, let's go to future and try to extrude until body, like that. Hit OK. Let's see if we can combine them. Okay, so you just combine it, fill it, you can do a small fillet here. Then I'm going to create a sketch on this side. Reference, plan. And reverse up to body. We see if it can merge the results. Okay, it's merged. Now for the bottom side, I'm going to extrude here. Let's adjust the sketch of the last cut extrude. And let's make it flat in here. Okay, that looks pretty much good. Then about the other part, let's just show it. Hide this one. Then sketch. We now need to highlight this to be able to see where we're going to draw. So it's on here. Let's sketch from here, here, and connect them. Or maybe another good idea is to convert to entities. Okay, now I can easily go with this sketch, convert entities, future cut. It's going to be blind and hit OK. Now you just have a nice cut. Now let's add some things for screws. You can insert a plan here, offset by 0, and I'm going to create a sketch. Maybe the screw is going to be, okay, 3.5 is good. Another one here. And another one here. Let's select the tree and make them equal. Then offset both. Okay, maybe the offset's going to be 0.5. Hit OK. Let's see if we can just add another screws. Then I need to chamfer this. Sketch, and for the circle, extrude cut through all. Okay, this shouldn't be combined, it was this one. Let's edit this feature. I'm going to roll back until here, before I do the PowerShell, and I can just hide this, add the fillet first. In terms of not combine it with the other one. So it was a fillet at 5 in here, and then this one. Let's click OK, and we should good. Let's grab this one and finish all processes again. Show this board. And now it should be good. Now let's take these two bodies and mirror them on the right plane. Bodies, these two. Now you have this nice product.